Hey guys, how are you? I'm sure you guys are doing great. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of a PBX system. If you are into IT field or you wanted to start your career into IT field, maybe you will get a chance in a coming future to handle the PBX system in your organization. So if you don't know about the PBX system, watch this video till end. My name is Manjit Singh and you are watching your own channel, Tech Guru Manjit English. Before explaining you about the PBX system, let me request you, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified. I upload the content in an English language. Based on my real experience, I have 18 plus years of experience into IT field. I have implemented many corporate big IT infrastructures for the multinational company and the Indian big companies. The complete IT infrastructure where computer networking, wireless networking, PBX system, TV networking, television networking, and so on. Right? So based on my experience, I upload a content on this channel. So if you want to gain a knowledge or maybe want to learn something, you can subscribe and do follow my channel. So let us start with the PBX system. So what is PBX system? So basically PBX system is a telephone system which work within the organization and outside the organization. So this is the private branch exchange where your organization users wants to talk to each other, they can use this PBX system. Nowadays the technology is getting advanced and advanced. So that is why now or maybe in future the complete responsibility of PBX system will fall into a IT domain. The IT person has to take care of the PBX system because now the entire thing is becoming and the voice is traveling through the IP network, that is your local area network. But there are three ways to implement it. Let me give you an overview of one by one. There is first PBX system called analog system. Analog PBX system is basically look like this, which is a card based solution basically. So you have to connect the cables in this PBX system and take out those cables and you have to connect that cables to the MDF box. So MDF box is a box where the connectivity between the PBX system and the MDF box is completely fitted by the PBX system. From the MDF box you take another cables and you take it to the locations where your IP or maybe analog systems are, the phones are placed, right? So it is completely a different networking. It will not fall into the IT or it is not based on the IP. So this is completely a different networking altogether, because all the IP phones, all the analog phones are directly connected with this particular MDF box and MDF box is connected to the PBX system. That is how analog system is implemented. Now there is a second type of because of the technology advance, there is a second type of PBX system available where you use a PBX system based on the card, but you take out the cables, you directly connect to gateway and gateway directly feed that particular voice data to your local area network. So in this case, you don't have to do a separate networking for this particular PBX system because the entire voice data system will travel through your local area network. And to configure this, you need to assign a separate VLAN for this voice. And wherever the locations you want to take it out and connect to the analog system or digital system or the IP phones, you have to place again you have to take a cable from particular switch and directly connect to that gateway, and gateway will feed the analog system, digital IP phone and the IP phones. And there is third type of network IPBX system is available, which is purely based on the IP and it is based on the server. Now you don't have to buy any card system for the PBX system. There is no card based PBX system available. In place of card PBX system, you will buy a server based on the Linux. Everything will be implemented in the form of software. So you have to deploy that particular server into your server room or wherever the location you want. Directly take out the cable and feed into your local area network, assign the separate VLAN, and the data will completed voice system will travel through your local area network, and again the system, wherever you have to connect the IP phones, you have to just connect that IP phone directly to that your switches within your local area network, and that's how the three systems are implemented. In this video, I have just given you an overview what is PBX system and the ways to implement this PBX system. But in coming videos, definitely I will explain each and everything in detail so that you get a complete knowledge of this PBX system. Next video going to be based on the analog versus digital versus IP. So what are these basically different technologies in the PBX system? We'll talk about that in the next video. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon so that every time I upload video you will get notified. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.